Oh, I love a good tiramisu. But today, Gabriella is going to make us a gluten-free tiramisu. There's such a big demand, isn't there, for gluten-free baked goods now?
Oh, yes. There's a lot of celiac people out there, and a lot of people do it for health reasons as well because they don't feel as bloated when they eat gluten-free foods.
Absolutely.
So we have a big range of gluten-free products.
And we don't want anyone to miss out on a delicious tiramisu, right?
That's right.
So we're going to make the cakes to start with?
Yeah, so we start with the butter.
Okay.
And we put that into a bowl with a paddle attachment.
Okay, and it goes, that softened butter.
Soft butter, yeah. Always make sure you take it out of the fridge at least 2 hours before. Then in goes the sugar.
Lots of sugar.
Lots of sugar, yep. And then you can start mixing that in.
Right, that's creamed.
Yep, so now we're going to add the eggs one at a time.
Okay.
And the vanilla extract.
All right, so I just give it a good whip.
Yep.
And then the next one.
That's right.
Oh, that looks good.
Beautiful, yep. So now we're going to put some gluten-free self-raising flour. Okay. This is just a supermarket one.
Great.
And we're going to alternate with the milk. So just do maybe like half of that.
Just on a low speed.
Low speed, yep. Okay.
Gabriella, that looks fantastic.
Yep, perfect. Yep. So now what we're going to do, we're going to add a third into this one, and then we've got 2 more moulds. Okay. Because we're going to do a 3-layer cake.
It's going to be good. And how long are we baking them in the oven for?
We're baking it for 20 minutes at 160. Okay, so these cakes just came out of the oven and we've let them cool.
So they're quite thin cakes, but don't forget there's 3 of them there.
3 layers.
3 layers, yes.
So you always need to turn it around. So that's a nice trick.
Gorgeous.
And now I'm going to soak the coffee onto the gluten-free sponge, but make sure it's cold. So you need to make it at least, you know, the morning before.
Oh, look at that. If you look at this and feel the texture of it, you would never tell the difference between
so soft, isn't it?
That and a wheat cake. Yeah. Smells great.
So in the meantime, so that looks about right, we can start making the cream, the filling.
Right. Okay.
So the filling has mascarpone, cheese, thickened cream.
Okay, a whole lot.
You can start, just put it all in.
They can all be whisked at the same time?
Yep, all together.
Okay, in it goes.
Just make sure everything's really cold. And then we've got the icing sugar. Make sure you sift that. And a tiny bit of vanilla extract.
Beautiful. Soft peaks, firm peaks,
so we want firm peaks because we're building this high cake.
How's that looking, Gabriella?
Looking perfect.
All right, we'll take that out.
Stiff.
I'm not going to waste any of this.
No.
There we go.
Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to start layering our cake.
All right.
So we put a dollop.
I love the combination of the mascarpone. It's like it has to be in there, right, for it to be tiramisu. And it just really holds together with the cream so it's firm, so it's just not going to collapse or anything like that.
That's right. So now we're going to dust some chocolate powder.
You're quite generous with that.
Yeah, of course. Who doesn't like chocolate?
Correct.
Okay, and now we do the second layer.
Yep.
So you don't want to soak the coffee before you stack it.
Right.
Because it'll just make the cake collapse.
There we go, beautiful. I guess you always think of a tiramisu in a baking dish with the Saviati biscuits, but I like the idea of making it into a cake like this.
Oh, of course.
Yeah.
There we go, and now we put more cream.
There we go. Beautiful. It's really taking shape now, isn't it?
Oh, yes. Still got one more layer. Yeah. Okay, and we've got some chocolate. Beautiful.
There we go.
And lucky last one. You want to just press it down a little bit. And we soak it with coffee.
So it all makes sense now that you need a little bit of cardboard to place this on because transferring this over to your cake stand, it's going to be complicated, but not now that it has this.
Made a mess. Might as well finish it off.
Yeah, the more coffee, the better.
The better. Beautiful. Okay, so this is done. Now we're going to finish decorating it with cream.
More cream.
More cream. Never enough cream.
Absolutely.
Okay, yeah. I always like using an offset spatula.
So with your bakery, you've got a few different gluten-free options. Would this be one of the most popular ones?
This is definitely one of the most popular ones because even the kids like it.
Of course, everyone likes this one. What other gluten-free cakes are quite popular at the moment?
The Victoria sponge.
Ah, yes.
Jam and cream.
Yeah.
Classic. So, okay, we're done. You don't need to, we've still got a little bit more cream. I'm going to save some cream to pipe.
Okay.
To do some decorating.
Did you want me to put that in the piping bag for you?
Yes, please.
Yep.
And, okay, so this is beautiful. Now, we're going to get some chocolate shavings. And I'm going to lift this with one hand. Beautiful cake. And I'm just going to put some chocolate shavings on the side. There we go. And we turn it around.
There's no trick to this. You just got to press it on it. That looks good.
Almost there. Making a mess again. And now we're going to grab our cake stand. A beautiful cake stand. Here we go.
I'm going to scoop all that to one side.
Okay.
Wow.
There we go. Beautiful.
That's stunning, Gabriella.
Okay, so now we've got this little extra cream and we're just going to do a few swirls.
Fantastic. So is this like a classic tiramisu where you ideally want to leave it in the fridge overnight so all of that coffee seeps in, or you can eat this one straight away?
You can eat it straight away.
Yep.
And
wow, the perfect amount of cream there.
All done.
Great.
And that's it. I mean, you can, if you have a few chocolate shavings left over, you can put them in the centre.
Wow. You make that look so easy. And just watching you at the end, putting all that chocolate on it, the decorations, so professional. There we go.
Should we have a taste?
Absolutely. I'll let you do the honours with the cutting of this.
No problem. So we're going to cut. Yeah. Look how soft it is.
So good. Beautiful. And I can smell the coffee in it, which I love.
Okay.
The moment of truth. Wow, look at the layers on that.
There we go.
Just like a surgeon you are. You've cut a few cakes in your time. Fork for you, fork for me. And look how fast all of that coffee has absorbed into the cake. I'm really interested to try the gluten-free cake.
Oh no.
It's very soft.
You won't be able to tell.
You really can't tell the difference at all. It's an all-rounder cake. Tiramisu lovers, you will love this cake. Gabriella, thank you so much.
Oh, thank you.
I'm gonna have another taste.